morning children. I hope class 8 children are watching this video. And in previous videos already we have seen rational numbers, and this is a continuation of that part. So today under this rational numbers, what we are going to do, first finding rational number between two given rational numbers. If two rational numbers have been given and in between you need to find out one rational number, how will you find out? Some solved examples we will see from the book and questions from exercise 1F we are going to see. So quickly we will see all the things, and as I suggest you, when you are watching this video, please be with your pen, pencil, copy and book, and I hope most of you must have purchased your books. So let's start. Here you see one result is there. If x and y be two rational numbers such that x is lesser than y, then 1 by 2 x plus y whole is a rational number between x and y. Suppose if two rational numbers have been given and x is lesser than y, then in between rational number if you need to find out, what we need to do, just you add both the numbers and divide by 2. You will get the number in between. Very simple example in integer, just you say I am giving you. Suppose two numbers you have 2 and suppose you have 4. Two integers you have 2 and 4, and in between number you need to find out. What will you do? 2 plus 4, both the numbers you add and then you divide by 2. So what you will get? 4 and 2 is equal to 6 by 2, and that is equal to 3. So in between number you got 3. So the same method will be applied for even rational numbers also. Here you see one example has been given. Find the rational number lying between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. The same method we will apply and we will find out. Let's see how we will find out. Suppose x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 2. Then number in between x and y, that will be equal to half of x plus y. Half of x plus y, and this will be equal to 1 by 2 x. In place of x what you have? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Now you simplify this, what you will get? 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. If you are simplifying this, you will get LCM, you will get 6. 3 2 is 6 and 2 1 is 2 plus 2 3 is 6 and 3 1 is 3. So you will get 5 by 6. So here you will get 1 by 2 into 5 by 6. It means 5 1 is 5 and 6 2 is 12. So your desired number, it means in between two rational numbers 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, your desired number will be 5 by 12. This will be your answer. So in this way you need to find out rational number in between given two rational numbers. Okay, next we will see. Here you see, in next example you have find three rational numbers between 3 and 4. So what we will do? The same formula will apply. Suppose x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Now, three rational numbers you need to find out. First rational number you find out. First rational number between 3 and 4 will be what? 1 by 2, 3 plus 4. 1 by 2 x plus y. So you will get 1 by 2 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and you will get 7 by 2. Second rational number will be what? See, 3 and 4 you have. 3 rational number you need to find out. First, already you have got 7 by 2. Next number, if you want to find out, in between 4 and 7 by 2 you find out, or in between 3 and 7 by 2 you find out. So, second rational number here we will find out 1 by 2, x will suppose 3 and plus 7 by 2. You simplify this. Here you see 1 by 2, 3 plus 7 by 2 you have. How will you simplify? 1 by 2. Here you will have LCM 2. 2 3 is 6 plus 7. So you will get 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 by 2 2 is 4 you will get. So you had 3 and 4. First rational number you got 7 by 2. Second rational number you got. So in between you have, here you see 3 and 4 you have, 7 by 2 you got, and in between 3 and 7 by 2 you got 13 by 4. Now you can find out either in between these two, or in between these two, or even in between 7 by 2 and 4. Any three you need to find out. So third rational number you find out. Third rational number will be equal to 1 by 2. Suppose you have 7 by 2 and in between 4 you need to find out. Suppose. So 1 by 2, LCM you will have 2, and here you have 7 plus 2 4 is 8, and you will get 15 by 4. So finally you have got 3 rational numbers, 13 by 4, 7 by 2 and 15 by 4. So these will be answers. So in this way you need to find out. Any 3 you need to find out. So in between either 3 and 13 by 4, or in between 13 by 4 and 7 by 2, or in between any 2, you find out by using this formula 1 by 2x plus y, and you will get the answer. You see, alternative method of finding large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Suppose if smaller numbers are there. Smaller numbers means less number if you need to find out in between two given numbers. Suppose 2 by 3 and suppose 3 by 5. In between two rational numbers you need to find out. Simply you can apply the formula 1 by 2 x plus y, where x is equal to 2 by 3 and y is equal to 3 by 5. By applying this formula you can find out 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5, 6 also. But if large numbers are required to be found out, suppose here in this example you see 20 rational numbers you need to find out. If 20 rational numbers are needed to be found out in between minus 5 by 6 and 5 by 8, it will be difficult to find. Again and again the same formula will be applied and it will take too much time. So some alternative methods are there to find out. So let's see how we will find out. What we will do, first you find out the LCM of denominator. So here you have denominator 6 and 8, you find out LCM 6 and 8, 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8, and you will get LCM how much? 2 into 3 into 4, it means 2 3 is 12, 2 3 is 6 and 4 is 24. So you got LCM of 6 and 8 is equal to 24. Now minus 5 by 6 you have. Equivalent fraction you need to find out of minus 5 by 6, having denominator 24. So it will be Just you see, you need denominator 20. What number should be multiplied by 6? 4. So 4 5 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20 and minus 20 and 6 4 ja 24. In the same way, you find out equivalent fraction of 5 by 8 having denominator 24. Here you see what number will be required to be multiplied. 8 3 ja 24 and 5 3 ja 15. So you got minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. So your number what you have minus 5 by 6, you can write minus 20 by 24. 5 by 8 what number you have, that will be equivalent to 15 by 24. Now in between minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24 you find out the numbers. So how many numbers we can get? Here you see. You have minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. It means in between how many numbers we can find out. Just you see, minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24, minus 17 by 24 and up to 0 and then 1 by 24, 2 by 24 and if you continue this up to 15 by 24. So this much numbers you have in between minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24. So any 20 numbers you write down, that will be your answer. So you can write hence 20 rational numbers in between minus 20 by 24 and 15 by 24 will be minus 19 by 24, minus 18 by 24 and so on. 20 numbers you need to write down and that will be your answer. So in this way, if larger numbers are there, you need to find out in between two given rational numbers. By this method you can find out. Write 9 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Again you see, if you are applying the formula, suppose in between 1 and 2 you need to find out one rational number. It is very easy, 1 by 2, 1 plus 2 and it will become 3 by 2. So in this way also you can find out. But 9 rational numbers are there, it will take big time and it will be bit lengthy. By this way also you can find out. But again, some alternative methods are there which can be applied. Here you see what we can do. See, 1 can be written as 10 by 10 because if you are cancelling this, you will get 1, and 2 can be written as 20 by 10. We are cancelling this, you will get 2. Now this 1 and 2 can be written as 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. In between you need to find out numbers. How many numbers? 9 rational numbers. What can be written? What numbers can be written here? See, first number you have 10 by 10. In between 10 by 10 and 20 by 10 you need to find out. Here it can be written as 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, 16 by 10, 17 by 10, 18 by 10 and 19 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers already you got. So this will be your answer. And suppose if you need to find out more numbers in between, suppose you have 1 and 2, you need to find out 99 numbers, 99 rational numbers. Then what will you do? This 1 can be written as 100 by 100 and 2 can be written as 200 by 100. Now you see, in between numbers it will be 101 by 100, 102 by 100 and so on up to 199 by 100. So in this way we can find out larger numbers in between. So apply these alternative methods if larger numbers are required to be found out in between given two rational numbers. In this way we can find out. Okay, next we will see what we have. Exercise. Find the rational number between 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. This is very easy now. Already you have seen, so you will be able to do. What we will do, how we will solve? Here you see. Suppose 1x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Now, the required in between number will be equal to 1 by 2x plus y. So, this will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Now, here you see LCM what you will have? 4 and 3 you have. 4 3 is 12. So, this will be 3 plus 4 and finally you got 7 by 24. What you got? 3 plus 4, 7 divided by 24. 7 by 24. This will be your answer. Next we will see. Here you see find two rational numbers between -3 and -2. Again it is so easy. Suppose x is equal to -3 and y is equal to -2. Now the required first number in between -3 and -2 will be equal to 1 by 2 -3 plus -2 and this will be equal to 1 by 2 -3 -2 and this will be equal to -5 by 2. This first number you got. Second number will be, see, you had -3 and -2. So one number already you have got, -5 by 2. Second number if you need to find out, either in between these two you find out or in between -5 by 2 and -2 you find out. So let's see. We will find out in between -5 by 2 and -2. Here you see. So this will be 1 by 2. Now LCM you will have 2. -5 plus minus minus and 2 to the 4. So this will be 1 by 2 -4 and -5 -9 divided by 2. So finally you got -9 by 4. Here -9 by 2. So these two numbers you got -5 by 2 and -9 by 4. So in this way, by applying the formula 1 by 2x plus y, we can find out. You have done all the things whatever has been given in this exercise. So next day we will see next topic or next exercise. Till then, all the things whatever has been discussed today, you go through properly, try to do yourself, and again you watch if it is needed. And even PDF also I will try to send. You go through, but book you keep and try to solve all the questions by yourself. First you start with solved examples, then you come in exercise. Definitely you will be able to solve. So next day we will discuss next topic. Till then, thank you.